How to see when you started following someone on Instagram. This tutorial shows you how to find out the date you followed someone directly from your Android device. First, open Instagram on your Android device and tap your profile at the bottom right. From there, tap Following to open the full list of accounts you're currently following. Scroll through and find the person you want to check, then tap on their profile to open it. Once you're on their profile, tap the three dots at the top right to open the options menu. From the list that appears, tap See Shared Activity. This will pull up a summary of your interaction history with that account. From here, you'll be able to see the exact date you started following them, along with any other activity you share with that profile, such as posts you've both liked or commented on. Keep in mind, this feature only shows activity between you and that specific account. It's a great way to look back and see exactly when you connected with someone on the platform. And that's it! If this guide helped you find out when you followed someone on Instagram, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon so you never miss an upload. See you in the next one.